1. So today we will start our exercise 2. So what is the first bit in it? Solve the following equation without transposing and check your answer. Without transposing we have to find the x value and also we have to check our answer whether it is correct or not. So without transposing is we will use the balancing method. So already I told you about balancing method. So without transposing is nothing but balancing method we have to do. So the first one, x plus 5 is equals to 9. So what is the first expression? X plus 5 is equals to 9. So what we want to find the x value here. So which number is linked with x, that number we have to eliminate. That means we have to eliminate plus 5. So which number we have to eliminate here? So plus 5 is linked with x. So we have to eliminate this plus 5. So to eliminate this plus 5, which number we have to subtract? The opposite number, opposite sign value we have to subtract. Opposite value will be minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 will be equals to 0. So this minus 5 we have to add on both the LHS part and RHS parts. So x plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 9 minus 5. So on both the sides I have added minus 5 here. So now plus 5 minus 5 will be 0. X is equals to 9 minus 5 will be 4. So we got the x value as 4 now, and also we are told to check our answer. So we have to do verification now. So whether x value is 4, if you substitute this x value in place of, if you substitute this 4 in place of x, if you get LHS is equals to RHS, then you know what you did, that will be correct. So verification. So what you got here in place of x, we have to substitute 4. So what is the expression here? What is the equation? X plus 5 is equals to 9. What is the x value? X value we got it as 4. So in place of x I am substituting 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Now 4 plus 5 is how much? 9 is equals to 9. That means the LHS part is equals to RHS part. So what we did, that figure is correct. Now second one, y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. So y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. So which value we have to find? We have to find the value of y. So y is this minus 12 is linked with y. So we have to eliminate this minus 12 now. So solution given y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. So which value we have to eliminate? We have to eliminate this minus 12. So what is the opposite value for minus 12? That will be plus 12. So add plus 12 on both LHS part and RHS part. That is minus 12 plus 12 is equals to minus 5 plus 12. Now minus 12 plus 12 will be get cancelled. Y is equals to minus into plus will be minus. 12 minus 5 is 7. Bigger number sign is plus. That means y value you got as 7. So now we will check the we will do if whether what we got the answer is correct or not. So verification. So what is the equation? Y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. So in place of y, which value we have to substitute? 7 we have to substitute. 7 minus 12 is equals to minus 5. Plus into minus will be minus. 12 minus 7 will be 5. Bigger number sign is minus. So RHS part is also minus 5. So we got LHS is equals to RHS. So third one, three x plus 4 is equals to 19. So what is the equation here? 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. So we have to find the x value here. So x is linked with 4 and also it given 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. So which value we have to eliminate? We have to eliminate plus 4. So what is the opposite number for plus 4? That will be minus 4. So minus 4 you add on both LHS part and RHS part. That is 3x plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 19 minus 4. Now plus 4 minus 4 is eliminated. What is the remaining terms? 3x is equals to 19 minus 4 will be 15. Now which number we have to eliminate? 3 we have to eliminate. This is in the form of multiplication. So this 3 we have to divide on both the sides. So what we have to do? Same 3 value we have to divide on both sides. So 3 ones are, 3 ones are will get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 fives are is equals to 15. So what is the x value here? X value is 5. So now we will solve the verification. So what is the equation? 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. So in place of x, which value we have to substitute? 5 we have to substitute. So 3 into 5 plus 4 is equals to 19. 3 5s are 15 plus 4 is equals to 19. So that will be 15 plus 4 is 19 is equals to 19. So LHS part is equals to RHS part. So what we got the x value, that is correct. Next, fourth one. 9z is equals to 81. So we have to find the z value. So with this z, 9 is connected. So we have to eliminate this 9. And this 9 is also in the form of multiplication. So 9 we have to divide on both sides. So given 9z is equals to 81, and with this z 9 is connected, relation between 9 and z is multiplication, so we have to divide with 9 on both sides here. 9 ones are 9 ones are will get cancelled, 9 ones are 9 9s are 81. So what is the z value here? Z is equals to 9. So now we will see the verification part. So what is the equation here? 9z is equals to 81. In place of z value, which number we have to substitute? 9 we have to substitute. That is 9 is equals to 81. 9 9s are 81 is equals to 81. So LHS part is equals to RHS part. So z is equals to 9 is correct in the value for this equation. Next is fifth one. 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. So in this also we have to find the x value. So how to find the x value? First see the LHS part here. So first we will eliminate this plus 8, or you can also eliminate this plus 2. So I am eliminating plus 8. So if you want to eliminate this plus 8, we have to use opposite number. What is that? Minus 8. Minus 8 we have to add on both sides. So what they have given? Given 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. So I want to eliminate this minus 8. So what is the opposite number for plus 8? That will be minus 8. So 3x is plus 8 minus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2 minus 8. Now this minus 8 I have added on both sides. Now plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled. So 3x is equals to 5x plus 2 minus 8. Plus into minus is minus. 8 minus 2 is 6. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got it as minus 6. Now which value we have to eliminate? So I want to eliminate this 5x now. So for eliminating this 5x, so we have to add minus 5x on both sides. That will be 3x minus 5x minus 6. Now plus 5x minus 5x will get cancelled. 3x minus 2x plus into minus will be minus. 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 is 2. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got minus 2x here. 3x minus 5x will be minus 2x is equals to minus 6. Now which value we have to eliminate? We have to eliminate this minus 2. And this relation between minus 2 and x is multiplication. So we have to divide with minus 2 on both sides. That is minus 2x by minus 2 is equals to minus 6 by minus 2. On both sides I have divided with minus 2 because this minus 2 is linked with x and relation between these two is multiplication. So minus 2 ones are minus 2 ones are will get cancelled. Minus minus will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So what is the x value here? X value is 3. So once again listen this. What they have given? They have given the equation as 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. So once again you see this. What is the equation? 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. So and I want to eliminate this plus 8. So what is the opposite value of plus 8? That will be minus 8. So on both the sides I am adding minus 8. So that is minus 8, minus 8. So this plus 8 minus 8 will be get cancelled. So what is the remaining terms? 3x is equals to 5x plus 2 minus 8 will be minus 6. Now which value I want to eliminate? I want to eliminate this 5x. So plus 5x, if I want to eliminate this plus 5x, which value I have to add? That is minus 5x. So minus 5x I am adding on both sides. So minus 5x plus 5x will get cancelled. So 3x minus 5x will be minus 2x is equals to minus 6. Now what is the relation of x and minus 2? That is multiplication. So I want to eliminate this minus 2. So I have to divide with minus 2 on both sides. So minus 2 will get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, minus minus will get cancelled. What is the x value here? X value is 3. Now we will see the verification. So what is verification? We got x is equals to 3 now. Substitute x is equals to 3 now. So verification, what is the equation? 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. Now what is the x value? 3. So 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 8 is equals to 5 into 3 plus 2. Now 3 threes are 9 plus 8 is equals to 5 threes are 15 plus 2. So 9 plus 8 is 17 is equals to 15 plus 2 is 17. So we got LHS value is equals to RHS value. So next two problems same as it is. Sixth one, 5y plus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. So we have to find y value. So given 5y plus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. So first I want to eliminate this plus 10. So what is the opposite value for plus 10? That will be minus 10, and on both sides you add minus 10 now. 5x plus 10 minus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10 minus 10. So minus 10 I have added on both sides. Now plus 10 minus 10 will be 0. So cancelled. Now what is the remaining? 5y is equals to 4y minus 20. Minus into minus is plus. 10 plus 10 is 20. Same sign on both sides, so minus. So which value we have to eliminate now? We have to eliminate this 4y. So this is plus 4y. So we have to add minus 4y on both sides. That will be 5y minus 4y is equals to 4y minus 4y minus 20. Now these two will be get cancelled. Plus 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now 5y minus 4y will be y or 1y is equals to minus 20. So y value you got it as minus 20. Now we will check it by doing this verification. So what is the equation? 5y plus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. So in place of y you have to substitute minus 20. Minus 20 plus 10 is equals to 4 into minus 20 minus 10. So 5 2s is 100, that means minus 100 plus 90 plus 10 is equals to 4 2s are 8, that is minus 80 minus 10. So minus 100 plus 10 will be minus into plus is minus. So 100 minus 10 is 90. Bigger number sign is minus. So we got minus 90 this side and here. Minus into minus is plus. 80 plus 10 is 90. Bigger number sign is minus. So LHS part is equals to RHS part. So what we got, the y value is correct. So this is our first bit. Next bit. Solve the following equation by transposing the terms and check your answer. Now we are using transposing method. So second bit. By using transposing, we have to find the variable values and also we have to do verification whether which answer we got that is correct or not. We have to check. So first one, 2 plus y is equals to 7. So transposing means the signs, if you take this plus sign to other side, that will be converted into minus. If you take minus to other side, that will be plus. Multiplication will be changed to division. Division will be changed to multiplication. So these are transposing signs. Now, so with y, which number is added here, which number is connected, that is 2. So that 2 we have to send to other side. Given 2 plus y is equals to 7. So I want only y value. So I have to send this plus 2 to other side. If you transpose plus to other side, that will be minus. So you will get y is equals to 7 minus 2. So y is equals to 5. Now we have to verify also. We have to check. So what is the equation? 2 plus y is equals to 7. 2 is a constant value. In place of y we are substituting 5 is equals to 7. 2 plus 5 is 7 is equals to 7. So we got the LHS value is equals to RHS value. So second one. 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. Now only we want the a value. So which values are linked with a? All we have to transpose. That is minus 3 is also linked and 2 is also linked. So first I will transpose minus 3 to other side. After that I will transpose this 2. Given 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. So which value I am transposing? Minus 3 I am transposing. If you transpose minus to other side, that will be plus. So 2a is equals to 5 plus 3. 2a is equals to 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now what is the relation of 2 and 8 here? That is multiplication. So if you transpose this multiplication, that will be converted into division. So a is equals to 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So a value you got it as 4. Now we will check the verification. By using verification we will check the answer. So verification. So what is the equation here? 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. 2 is a constant value. A value is 4. Minus 3 is equals to 5. 2 4s are 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 8 minus 3 is 5 is equals to 5. That means we can write LHS is equals to RHS. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Take one as homework. This third one, 10 minus q is equals to 6, and fourth one, 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. So this two you write as homework.